In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the background in Google Slides. There are two types of background. One is a background color and secondly is a background image. So for the first one, I'm going to show you how you can change the background color of a slide. First, go to the background menu and then in the color section, you want to click on it and select any color that you want. By the way, there is also an option to use a gradient color if you want to, but for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to use just a solid color. Now I'm going to change it to something like orange, or maybe closer to, yeah, it's orange yellow, and click done. And there you go. Now this particular slide will have a new background color. If you want to add an image as a background, click the background menu again and click choose image. And then here you can select source for the image. You can upload, you can use webcam, link from a website or Google Drive, Google Images, but I'm going to just select a photo from my Google Photos account. I'm going to select this picture, or maybe this picture looks amazing, and click insert, click done. And there you go. Now I have this slide with a nice background image. So that's basically how you can change the background in Google Slides.